Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create different types of posts on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is different in terms of how your posts appear on LinkedIn, and that's why we are creating this tutorial for LinkedIn. So if you create a one-time post for LinkedIn, you will select your LinkedIn account. I'm going to select my RecurPost company page, and I will say, have you looked into RecurPost yet? If not, do it right away. And then we are going to add a link to our website. You will see the preview, right? And in this preview, go on LinkedIn tab. If you don't like this image that we pulled from your link, you can always add a new image by clicking on this plus sign. Click on plus, select any other image that you want to use, and then you can save it. So the post appears on my LinkedIn with the new image. It has the link. If I click on this, it will take me to the link that I shared, which is RecurPost. If I click on the picture, it will take me to the link. So clicking on these two takes me there, as well as I have a link in my message. So links worked fine. Now let's check what happens when you create an image post. So I will post it on my company. I will say this is an image post that contains a link in the message. I'm gonna add a media first. We are going to search for an image, and let's say Monday. It's Monday. And now I'm going to add a link to RecurPost.com. So for LinkedIn, it will look like this. So you will have your image. It will have RecurPost.com and says shared via name of the account. The reason is, if you look at this one, on Facebook it goes as an image, on Twitter it goes as an image post, but on LinkedIn it cannot go out as an image post. The reason is LinkedIn does not allow posting images or videos directly. We have to host this image, so it's hosted at RecurPost, and we share link to that page where this image is hosted. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to post this one now. So I will click post now. So it's been posted. Let's go and check our page. As you can see, it appears here. There is your image, there is the link in the message, and you have a link here. If you click on this image, it will take you to the link where the image is hosted. So you will basically see a bigger image. It will not take you to the link in your message. You will have to click on that link to go to that message. So this and this, they will take you to the image itself and not to the link in your message. That's why LinkedIn has a different way of sharing images than Facebook or Twitter. So if you want to share an image that is attached to a link, don't create an image post. In that case, you want to create a link post. You will be able to change the image anyway. So your image will appear here and you will see links. That is the right way of sharing images on LinkedIn, not creating an image post. I hope that helps. Thank you.